Hello dear students, today let us discuss the numerical problems on the concept last time what I have explained. So now first problem is an infinite wire of linear charge density. So they have given what? One infinite wire of linear charge density minus 3 microcoulomb per meter is placed along the y-axis. The electric field at a point x is equal to 3 centimeter from wire is. First of all, let us draw the diagram first of all. So now here I am taking that this is one infinite wire. This is infinite wire. So this dots indicating the infinite nature. And here what? This is minus 3 microcoulomb or plus 3 microcoulomb. Minus means what? The charge on the wire should be negative in nature. Therefore, this is I am taking that negative charge right now. This is the negative charge on the wire. This is the negative charge. And what? Okay, leave it. Next what? At a point x is equal to 9 centimeter. First of all, the wire is along the y-axis means what? You can take that this is the y-axis and this you can take what? X-axis, and this is the origin. Origin you can take at any point because it is infinite wire. Therefore, now here x is equal to 9 centimeter. Plus 9 centimeter they have mentioned. Means what? That plus and minus just decides what is the position of measuring point, either left side of the wire or right side of the wire. Plus means what? Towards the left that is completely negative x-axis, towards the right that is completely positive. Therefore, let us take this is the point we have to measure, right? Therefore, this is the point, that point for example P, and this distance how much they have given? That distance they have given x is equal to 9 centimeter. Here that plus symbol plus 9 centimeter just indicates that the point of measurement P lies on the right side of the wire. So at this point P, what we have to measure? So we have to measure what? The net electric field we have to measure. So therefore, what is the formula? This is infinite case. In case of the infinite, what is the formula? So now the formula is E is equal to, so what is that? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So what is that? 2 lambda by r. Okay, this is the formula already I have given in the explanation. Now let us substitute the values. That is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon value is what? 9 into 10 power 9. This is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. And 2 into, right? 2 into lambda. Lambda value what? Minus 3 microcoulomb. Just this minus is indicating the nature of the charge, whether it is positive or negative, that only it gives. Therefore, don't substitute this minus in this formula. Just I am substituting that 3, and you see here what is that? This is not coulomb, that is microcoulomb. What is the meaning of micro? That is nothing but what? 10 power minus 6 into 10 power minus 6. I am taking that. Therefore, now if you see there, just you see there, so what is the distance in place of the x? I mean what? That is the r only. Therefore, r is equal to what? 9 centimeter. 9 into what? This is not meter, centimeter. While solving the problem, we should be very careful about the units. Therefore, 9 into 10 power minus 2. Therefore, now if you simplify, just you see this value and this 9 and 9 get cancelled. And this one is cancelled. Now what is there here? So 2 3s are how much you will get? That is equal to nothing but 6 into. Now here you see 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2, it goes upside, becomes what? 10 power 11. So now 10 power what? It is 10 power 11 into, here what is there? 10 power minus 6 is there. Now what you will get the answer? So finally the electric field at that point, that is equal to, so now what you got here? So 6 into 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb, you got this answer. But you see the options, what are there? So here minus 6 plus 6 and these two are not correct. Why? Because here what is there? 10 power 3. Therefore this you can decide wrong. And here also this is 10 power 2. Therefore this answer is also wrong. Therefore which one is the correct answer? Either first or second is the correct answer. Once again you see what is there? Minus 6 into 10 power 5 I cap. But what we got? 6 into 10 power 5. We have calculated only magnitude. Its direction also we have to decide. Okay, now tell me, this is a negative charge or positive charge? Negative charge. For the negative charge, at any point the electric field is towards the charge or away from the charge? The electric field is compulsory towards the charge. Therefore, now what is that? This is towards the charge. Towards the charge means what? This arrow indicate what? For example, if you take what is that? This is the coordinate system. This is what? Y-axis. This is what? X-axis. Therefore, along the positive Y-axis, that is a plus J. Along the negative axis, negative y-axis, that is a minus j. Along the negative x-axis, that is a minus I cap, and along the positive axis, that is what? A plus I cap. You see, these are what? Towards the negative charge. Towards the negative charge means what? You see the arrow here. Therefore, that is what? Minus I cap. Therefore, now in the direction, in the vector form, E is equal to magnitude into what? That I am taking that minus I cap. Why? Because the direction of the electric field at point P indicating towards the negative x-axis. That's why along the negative x-axis, what unit vector is there? Minus I cap. Therefore, now you can decide what? E is equal to, you can write here, if you substitute and simplify, you will get what? So minus 6 into 10 power 5 into what? Into minus I cap, you can get. Therefore, this minus you bring here, you will get what answer? That finally U is equal to what? Minus 6 into 10 power 5. So I cap. This is our answer. Therefore, the problem, that is very simple problem, but to decide the direction of electric field, that we have to express it in vector form. Therefore, now here this is the first option is the correct answer for this problem. Now let us discuss the second problem. That second problem is a halo sphere has a charge density of what? Plus 44.25 picocoulomb per meter square. Please observe the unit what they have used, picocoulomb per meter square. The electric field on the surface is, first of all, let us draw the halo sphere first, right? No? So now I am drawing one halo sphere, right? And let us assume that this is the halo sphere. And let us assume the radius of the halosphere. For example, I am taking that capital R. Next what? Here you see they have given what? This is the plus they have given. Means what? The plus 44.25 picocoulomb per meter square. Means what? The charge on the sphere must and should be positive. Okay. This is compulsory positive. Why? Because for the positive charge density, the charge is positive. For the negative charge density, the charge is negative, right? So that is over. So next what? The electric field on the surface is they are asking. On the surface means you can take any point on the surface. For example, you see I am taking this point, okay? I am taking this point on the surface, right? Therefore now therefore distance is what? R. Then what is the formula? The formula for the halosphere on the surface is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. This formula already I have explained to you. Okay, but now tell me, so what they have given only in this total question, we are observing only one point, that is surface charge density, right? But here what they have given, there is no symbol for any surface charge density. So radius they have not given, charge also not given. Means what? This term we have to convert into surface charge density. That is equal to what I am changing that. Just this epsilon naught I am writing outside, just like this. 1 by epsilon naught into, so q by, remaining term is what? Q by 4 pi is there, r square is there. Therefore what? 4 pi r square. So now tell me, what is the 4 pi r square indicates? This 4 pi r square indicate what? Area. Correct? Therefore now this is what? Charge. Charge by area. Surface charge density. How much they have given? 44.25. Therefore now here you can write that is equal to 1 by epsilon naught into, in place of this total term I am writing what? Sigma. What is the sigma? Symbol for surface charge density. Therefore now if you write here, you can get the answer. E is equal to what? E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Right. We got one more formula for the electric field due to a halosphere on its surface. What? E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Not need to worry. Even though they have not given charge and radius. Just you convert the charge and radius formula into surface charge density by using what? Sigma is equal to what here? Sigma is equal to amount of the charge by area. This formula just you remember and convert it by using that formula. Now just you substitute the values. What you will get now? That is equal to sigma value what? 44.25 into, one thing you observe here, what they have given? Picocoulomb. What is the micro? 10 power minus 6. What is the milli? 10 power minus 3. What is the nano? 10 power minus 9. What is the pico? 10 power minus 12. Therefore now here you can write 10 power minus 12. What is that? By, so epsilon. Here what is that? Epsilon is the epsilon not value what? That is the 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. That value also you know very well in the Coulomb's law. Okay, and what is that? So 8.85 is the into 5. Just you multiply in the paper, then you can get the answer 5. And here what is that? 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 12 also cancel. Finally what you will get? E is equal to, you will get that 5 Newton per Coulomb. This is our final answer. Therefore, out of the 4 options, which one is the correct? The first option is the correct answer for this question. Now let us discuss the third problem. An infinite plane sheet has a charge density of minus 53 millicoulomb per meter square. The electric field at a distance of 10 centimeter from sheet is. So first of all, let us draw the infinite plane sheet. Let us assume this is the infinite plane sheet. I am assuming that. Okay. Now you see this given charge density is negative or positive? Negative. In the previous problem, what I told you, if the given charge density is negative, the charge on the body is negative. If the given charge density is positive, the charge on the body is positive. Therefore now here you can decide what? The charge on this plane sheet, infinite plane sheet, is negative in nature. We have assumed. So next what? At what distance? 10 centimeter from the sheet. Okay. This is the sheet. From the sheet I am taking it what? At this point P. Therefore this distance how much they have given? The distance R is equal to 10 centimeter they have given. This is the distance they have given. At this point you have to find out the electric field. Now first of all tell me, so let us decide direction first only. This is negative charge or positive charge? Negative charge. For the negative charge at any point the electric field is towards or away? Always towards for negative charge and away from the positive charge. As it is a negative charge, therefore at this point the electric field is towards. Therefore now this is the electric field and this is the direction of the electric field, that is towards. Therefore out of the 4 options, towards. Okay, either first option or second option is correct. Therefore now this away is there, no, that is the option, and this is the 4th option, both are wrong. Therefore out of the given out of the remaining 2 options A and B, we have to decide which one is the correct. Means what? So either 6 into 10 power 9 or 3 into 10 power 9. Means what? We have decided the direction. The remaining is we have to calculate the magnitude. What is the formula? This is infinite plane sheet. For the infinite plane sheet, what formula I have given? The formula I have given in the previous class. What? That is equal to what? That is the sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This formula I have given. Correct or not? Just you substitute the values. What you will get now? One more important point. So here they have given distance. Correct? 10 centimeter. But so the electric field due to an infinite plane sheet does not depend on the distance from charge. Correct? That's why here I am not taking any distance in this formula. Therefore now E is equal to, that is equal to what? Sigma value what? Here we have decided the direction. Therefore this, just you substitute this 53 only. Therefore don't substitute any negative with that. 53 into what they have given? Millicoulomb. Milli means what? 10 power minus 3. Therefore 10 power minus 3 divided by, so 2 into epsilon naught value what? Epsilon naught value 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. That becomes what? That is equal to, you see, 2 into 8.85, that is 17.7 you will get. Therefore now, so 53 into, right, and it becomes what? 10 power minus 12 goes upside. It goes upside, it becomes what? 10 power 9, and by what? So 2 into 8.85 means what? That is a 17.7 you will get. Just you simplify or you cut this and you will get what? That is nearly equal to 3. Therefore now E is equal to, so actually that is a 2.99 something you can get, but roughly you can take what? 3 into 10 power 9. Therefore now the answer is what? 3 into 10 power 9. So what is that? Newton per coulomb. This is our answer in the question. Okay, na? Therefore now the questions are very easy, but something is tricky in the deciding direction or in the solving the problems like this. Therefore now what is our answer? Therefore now option 2, option B is the correct answer for this problem. Now let us discuss the last problem, and this is the homework problem. Last I think 2 weeks back problem. All are asking this answer. Okay, and here I have not given option because already this problem I have given and I have given for homework. Just you see the options there. Now let us discuss 3 charges plus q minus q and plus q. Means what? Out of the given 3 charges, 2 are similar and equal, but one is opposite. But the similar thing is what? All are having the same magnitude, q, 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 but one is opposite, negative charge. So what is the matter here? Are placed at 3 corners A, B, C, A, B and C respectively of a square, right? Of a square of side A. The net field at D is what? First of all, let us draw the diagram first of all. Now, so let us assume that this I am taking that this is the one square, and this is side length A. Let us suppose this is I am taking that A, and this is I am taking that B, and let us suppose this is I am taking that C, and this is what? Automatically this point becomes what? D. Now you see, substitute this what? This is at this point what? That is the plus Q, and at this point what? That is the minus Q, and this is what? Plus Q they have given. First of all, I want, this is what? Side length A, side length A, side length A, right? Now, first of all, I am taking that at this point total electric field is how much? That is the answer for this question. But here at this point, these 3 charges at 3 other corners produces electric field. Finally, what is the resultant of them? We have to find out. First of all, I am finding the electric field due to charge at A. What is that? Charge is plus Q, and distance how much? From this charge to this point distance how much? In place of the R, they have given A. Therefore, now electric field at A, I am taking that EA is equal to what? So I am taking that K. Instead of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, I am taking that K. In the problem also they have given like that. Okay, so what is that? K Q by, what is the distance? R square. R square means what? A square. Right over. Let us decide the direction. This is positive. Positive means what? At this point, from the charge, the electric field is away. Away means what? From this charge, at this point, the electric field is down. Therefore, now this I am taking what? That is EA. Similarly, you see, this is Q and this is A. Same magnitude you can get the field due to the point at C. Therefore, now what I am taking that? This is what? Positive charge. Therefore, the direction of electric field is what I am taking that? This is I am taking that EC. Therefore, you can get that EC also same to same, K into what? Q by A square. But now tell me, these two are equal in magnitude but different in direction. This is acting towards the left, this is acting towards the down, correct? But when both are equal, the resultant field is compulsory passing through what? Passing through the angle bisecting them. Means what? The center. Therefore, this angle, total angle how much? 90 degree. This becomes 45, this becomes 45. Therefore, now when it is possible, when two vectors are equal in magnitude, then only the the resultant vector passing through by bisecting the angle between them. Therefore now, so what is the resultant vector? The resultant vector I am taking that EAC, that is equal to what? Now you can get what? This is EA square plus EC square, right? 2EA into EC into what? Cos theta. This angle how much? This total angle between them how much? That is 90 degrees. Just you substitute what? 90 degrees. Cos 90 value what? Becomes 0. Therefore this total term becomes 0. Remaining is what? Under root of EA square plus EC square. By simply you will get that, after substituting you will get that answer, root 2 into, what is that? Root 2 into K Q by A square you will get. Let us suppose this is equation number 1, I am assuming. But what is that? We have calculated only the resultant of EC and EA. But what is that remaining charge is there at corner B? That is a negative charge. Okay, na? Therefore now what I am taking that, first of all I want this distance here, correct or not? Because charge is there, no problem, minus Q is there. But what is this distance? That distance we don't know. So now tell me, this is A and this is A in this triangle. In this triangle, so according to Pythagoras theorem, what will get beta? That R is equal to root 2 into A you will get, correct or not? Na? This distance means what? From D to B. This distance how much you will get? R is equal to under root of 2 into A. This root belongs to only 2, not A. And according to Pythagoras theorem only, A square plus A square is equal to R square. R is equal under root of root 2A. You will get the answer. Therefore now what is that? Electric field due to charge at B. What will that? EB is equal to K into, so Q by, here you will get one doubt. Sir, here minus Q is there, no? Why you have substituted only plus? Because for measuring the vector quantity magnitudes, it is need not to substitute the negative value. Just you substitute the magnitude. That's why I substituted only Q. Therefore, what is the distance? R square. Right now, R square, because this distance how much we got? R. R is equal to what? Therefore, KQ. So by in place of the R square. R square means what? This becomes what? Whole square. Therefore, square root cancel. This becomes what? 2 into A square. That's it. We got that. But what is the direction? Let us decide the direction. This is a negative charge or positive charge? Negative charge. For the negative charge, many times I told you, no, towards the charge. Therefore now the electric field, that is what? This is towards. Therefore now you can get what? This is EB. Closely you observe EB and this is what? EAC, no? The resultant of A and C. Therefore now if you observe, EB and EC both are in opposite direction. Correct? So when both are in opposite direction, will you add or will you subtract? We should subtract. Therefore now what is that? The total electric field E is equal to EB minus EAC na? EAC minus EB na? EAC minus EB. Why? Because EC value how much? That is root 2 into KQ by A square. This is what? 1 by 2. KQ by A square is the common. Root 2 is greater. That's why what I am taking that EAC minus EB. That is equal to, now here KQ by A square is the common. I am taking that KQ by A square is the common for both the equations. Therefore now here what is the remaining? Here you will get what? That is root 2. Here what you will get? Minus 1 by 2. If you simplify, final answer or the total magnetic field at that point D is what? That is nothing but KQ by, so A square into what? Into 2 root 2 minus 1 by what? 2. Therefore this is our answer. Out of the 4 options, which one is the correct? Just you solve this one and trick it. And thank you.